Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to increase iodine in your body easy method. Start by incorporating iodine-rich foods like seaweed, seafood, and dairy into meals daily. Measure portions and aim for consistent, moderate intake rather than sudden large doses. If you consider supplements, pick a trusted product and follow recommended amounts. Monitor symptoms and consult your clinician for tailored advice to stay safe and effective during this process. Prioritize whole foods first to boost iodine naturally and enjoy diverse flavors. Add a small sheet of nori to soups, include an egg at breakfast, or choose yogurt as a snack. Use iodized salt sparingly to avoid excess sodium while still gaining iodine benefits. Track your intake across meals rather than relying on a single large portion. This balanced approach helps your body adapt safely while supporting thyroid health and energy levels. Supplements can fill gaps but require careful use and medical guidance to prevent overconsumption. Choose a product with clear labeling and stick to recommended microgram doses rather than guessing. If you have thyroid conditions, get labs checked before starting any iodine supplement. Watch for new symptoms and keep communication open with your clinician. Combining sensible supplementation with food sources offers a steady, controlled way to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.